Hey, this is Chantel from WTI. I love making charcuterie boards, and to keep my boards looking nice and fresh, I apply the food grade mineral oil by 13 Chefs. This oil preserves, protects, and polishes practically anything. It is easy to use, and the before and after are amazing. It can be applied to a cloth or directly onto the wood surface. You can even use your hands, as this oil is safe to handle. The oil will naturally absorb into the wood, and it's suggested to allow the oil to set for 24 hours before use. I love using this mineral oil to keep my whooshed off knives looking brand new. Since my butcher block sits on my counter, I like to use it every few months to keep it polished. There really is so much you can do with this product. So next time you want to impress your friends, polish that board up and show up with all those tasty treats. But that's just my point of view.